Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. My name's Lisa and I'm going to be talking to you about the brand new Living Proof Triple Bond Complex. Wow, that's a mouthful to say. I show you how to use it in your hair, the results you'll expect to see, and I mean, looking cute as a fruit. A fruit? I don't know what a fruit is, but a fruit is cuter than a fruit. So keep on watching if you want to see what's going on, and while you're here, subscribe to my channel. It's all things beauty. I'm hair obsessed. Also, I've been a makeup artist for 16 years, so I've got a lot to share with y'all in here. Straight to you, boos. Okay, we'll chat in a bit, and yeah, chat in the comments because I'll always get back to you. Let's get to it. Let's try the triple. Let's try that again. Try that again, shall we? The Living Proof Triple Bond Complex. Wow. There we go. I've been trialing this for, I want to say, a month now. Let's put my phone on silent. Thank you very much. Where's my watch? I feel like I've got chia seeds in my teeth. I've just had breakfast. Anyway, I've washed my hair. I've used this for about a month now and I'm really enjoying it. I sort of wanted to compare and see the differences, how my hair felt versus the K18. So in this video, I'm just going to talk about this, but let me know if you want to see a comparison, because I know it's always nice to know things. I haven't been to any of the PR events on this, the press launches, so I don't really know kind of a huge amount of technical information. What I do know though is, so the main facts I know about it is that it restores the health of the hair, and it focuses on the triple types of bond within the hair, and it, you know, after prolonged use, so they say to use it at least once a week, your hair will feel like virgin hair. It feels very smoothing and conditioning. What's that little whistle? Can't do it again, can I? And it also has a heat protectant in it, which I think is flipping genius. Like, we want products like this. So, hair is shampooed. It's been up in this for a little wee while, and of course my comb is downstairs, so thankfully my trusted Dyson is next to me, and I did brush my hair before putting it up. So you use 2 pumps of this in your hair. So just giving it another brush. Ow! 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 And let's go. The way these types of product work is they are water soluble, so your hair needs to be damp, so if it dries really quickly, just spritz it down with a bit more spray. So 1, 2. I went on holiday recently and I was hanging out with my friend's toddler, so we were doing like lots of numbers in a very patronising way, as you do with children. Not really, you just try and make it fun and engaging. There's a product, let's smush it in the hand, and so what I noticed with this is that it almost feels like a cream rather than like a gel, like you can feel it in your hand. So let's start to, so I'm just raking it through my hair, like so, and I can instantly feel that it is very soft throughout my hair, and it feels really nice. And then what you do now, this is the different part. Here's the science part that's a bit different. Really is you wait 10 minutes, and if you feel like you need a bit, if like I have really thin hair. It is getting healthier though. My hairdresser is like, Lisa, hello, and I'm like, I know babes, I know. Through using these types of products. So if you've got thicker hair, hun, use your noggin, use a bit more. But you don't want to go mental. So then you leave that for 10 minutes. So, hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, counting down.
She's done. He's done it. Anyway, so I'm gonna come back in 10 minutes and I'm gonna do some makeup, maybe film some TikToks. I'm at Uncut Jam. I'll be back in 10. It's me, I'm back. So 10 minutes has gone by. This biz has been doing its thing. So that's what's quite nice about it, in a way that you can chuck it in. And did I forget to mention, I think I might have forgot to mention, that you skip conditioner like all of the other Bond building products like this. So wash your hair, do this. This actually feels more conditioned than ones I've previously tried, because my hair just feels like well soft now. So let's give it a dry. So you need to use heat to activate this. So whatever your hair type, whether you've got really well formed curls or waves, get your diffuser on it and pop some heat in it. I'm gonna get my trusted Dyson. Oh hi, it's just me and my Dyson. Sorry, what's that? I can't hear you over how great I am. Anyway. Right, I've changed it to the blow dry mode, the rough dry mode. But look at that shine! Okay, let's switch, flip it, reverse to the nozzle. Let's smooth this baby out. I'll come back once I've done this. Hi, I'm done. My hair, sorry, this is rocking. I need to get a different stand. That's complete. That is complete. So there you have it, my dried hair after using the treatment. So as I said, I've been using this for about a month and I'm really enjoying the... It feels so lightweight in my hair as well. I cannot tell you how good it feels, and especially that I haven't put any conditioner in it or leave-in conditioner yet at this point. I'll grab some oil and put some in now. I've just used a bit of hairspray, but that doesn't really impact the shine. It was just as shiny before. So let's get some oil just to add some... Oh my gosh, does this like run out? What? Has like a secret ghost been using this? Literally. Let's just run that through. But to be honest, Living Proof don't generally bring out duds. There's only a few products that I haven't like significantly loved, but I mean, come on. And this retails I think it's 45 or 42 pounds for 45 ml in the UK, and you can get a travel size to try out too. Yeah, and I've been using Living Proof solidly for probably 5+ years. I use it on myself, I use it on my kit. I begrudgingly do hair. Yeah, I think it's great. What do you think? Let me know what you want to know. Let me know if you want a comparison video specifically between the two products, and I can sort of talk you through the both of them to my best knowledge. And there you have it. Happy bloody Sunday, and I'll see you next week.